Today we have the TippmanN A5 HE E-grip. So they shoot up to 15 balls a second because they changed the standards on this. It used to be 20 balls a second. I'm going to show you how to install it on your A5 today. I've been waiting for this for a while and stuff. Got actually a few months ago and stuff, but also I just want to show you guys how to install it. I already know how it goes on. So what comes in the package? We have the E-grip itself, foam insert, and we got the little manual for it in case you need problems and stuff. Inside it has a little message, and if you need any help you can install it. Just call TippmanN. They're pretty good about helping you install and stuff. Just set that to the side, set the manual to the side. So here's your E-grip. We're going to install this on our TippmanN A5, and I'll show you how to do that. So here I have my A5. It's already mostly taken apart up here. I already got the grip kind of halfway off, took off the airline. All you need is a 7/16 wrench to get this airline out. So you just take off the two push pins I already did here. You pull this off to the side. Take your new grip. Push it right up into there. There you go. Take your push pins, put them back in. There we go. Take your airline, put that in, take the 7/16 wrench, and it helps if you can turn around if you press on the airline while you do this. Screw it in most of the way. Alright, here you go. So I'll put the battery cover in. You just take the battery cover off and put the battery on. Put it on those slots. Just slide right up in there. Put the battery cover back on. And there you go. Got a TippmanN A5 with an E-grip now. You can shoot up to 15 balls a second. Just cycle through the modes with the little button in the inside here, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.